So today I was writing a mail for a client through my mentor. The first step that I follow while creating a very good mail, a compelling mail, is that do a solid research around the topic. You can find a topic using market research, but when you have topics given by the client, that is a different level of working, because the client just gives you the topic, but now you have to connect the dots. What do I mean by it? When you have a general type of content, which I had got one recently, so you need first I did some market research and find out what are people talking around about that particular uh, what you can say topic, right? Yeah, I mean topic, yeah. But when you, when you get all the data from market research around what is going on out there, now you use those data or keywords and then feed, you just start writing a draft mail around it. Now I find out more compelling content on YouTube, take that transcript and then feed it into AI tool. It may be, you can use chat gpt, you can use Claude. Both are very good. So for this I right now use Claude and feed that video transcript to Claude and ask it to generate a value mail, where the mail is basically giving just value and there is no CTA. And I ensure that instruction to Claude also, that just write a value mail, the mail that gives value to the clients and not any CTA. After it generates the first draft, my next prompt would be to make it, sometimes AI tools make mistakes. If it does not understand my first prompt, or if there is something missing between my prompt and the output, I then tweak the prompts further so that I get a better output. Using that, I then feed the client's program. It might be his or her landing page, his or her recent live class, workshop class. For me, it was a recent 2-day live event. I took that transcript and fed it into Claude and asked it to make the mail more congruent with what that client is saying. Then it gives an output. I do this step. The reason behind this is that if you just write a mail, it may not be compulsorily congruent, or it may not sound as the client sounds or what the client wants to say. So it is very important to maintain that continuity, or else people would just ask, what are you trying to say? It doesn't link. So there will be drop in the number of readers, and the main aim of email marketing is not satisfied. So maintaining continuity is of utmost important here. And then when it gives a next output, I consider that and then I give more prompts and tweak it to make it more better and sound simple, like even a the standard grade kid can understand what I'm saying. But we have to ensure and keep in mind that the market sophistication, the market awareness levels are maintained, and this comes from Eugene Schwartz advertising principle. Here what I do, give the input to AI that based on the, it can be like, for example, stage 3 market sophistication, like and problem or solution aware kind of market. Please tweak it or rewrite this mail and maintaining the congruency with the client's program. This gives me a very good output, but I will never copy it directly. Just in Hindi say they say makki ka makki, just like that. I mean, whatever is there in AI, I do not just push it into the approval draft, because that is where most of the marketers, I understand, make a mistake while using AI. AI is just helping you finish your task more faster, but it does not mean that you should completely rely on AI. As a marketer, your inputs will matter, because the readers are humans. If there is no human touch, if it is not coming from a human, then it does not connect with another human. So whatever AI gives the output, you have to ensure that it sounds human. And how do you make it? You write it or you tweak it based on your understanding of the topic or your strong market research. This is where market research helps you, where you need to insert proofs, social proofs, because inserting social proofs ensures you are building a trust and making the email more authentic. This is what makes this is one of the main touch points which makes the email sound more humanly and not too scammy. This is what is required these days, because most of the marketeers are not are kind of sound scammy and just want to grab leads, but that is not we want to do in order to be in the game sustainably, because humans connect with, and we connect with honesty, we connect with authentic people who share authentic value and give authentic, what do you say, services. Even the clients will be very happy, because they are just concentrating on delivering their content. If they even crack their heads to create this marketing content and email writing, and we pitch in giving them more than what they expect, and at least meet their expectation, you will be helping, I mean, 80%. That 20% of the job is the client's work. So yeah, this is what email marketing process that I follow. And at the end, I then tweak it a little further, make it more simple to read, and then we have a tracker kind of thing where we track each and every mail, right? Like we give them serial numbers, we give them email codes like 101, 102, 103, and so that it is more organized. I understand that going down the lane, I'll be writing more and more mails. Maybe there is a team around me writing those mails for a particular client, and the more organized we are, the more easy it is to manage, and the less or the failure percentages of losing the data is zero, because everything is organized with a code, and we have a system of, is it uploaded, is it submitted, is it pending for review, was it accepted, was it rejected, was it held for reasons, so many reasons are there to hold it, or do we have to rewrite it? And when we rewrite it, we do not edit the same mail. It is the more simpler technique is to give a sub code. Like if the first initial mail is 102, the rewritten mail will not go into the 102 mail, will go into the 102.1. It is like a sub clause of an email. So when you organize at this level, it ensures that, and it shows how authentic you are, how concentrated or focused you are on your entire journey of becoming a successful marketeer. starting with email marketing. So this is what I wanted to share for today. I have been daily writing, not even though not daily, very regularly practicing writing value mails, and even submitted few quite number of mails to the client which have been approved and which will be coming online soon. So yes, that's it for today.